In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a user to your Mailchimp. If you're collaborating with a teammate, a contractor, or anyone who needs access to your Mailchimp account, adding them as a user is the right way to do it. This keeps your workflow organized and helps maintain control over your account without sharing sensitive information. Start by opening your Mailchimp dashboard. Look to the top right corner of the screen for your profile icon. It's usually a small avatar or your account image. Click that icon to open the account menu. From there, select Account and Billing. This takes you to the area where you manage all the high-level settings for your Mailchimp account. Once you're in Account and Billing, find the Settings tab. Click it and then choose Users. This section is dedicated to managing who has access to your account. You'll see a list of existing users, along with their status and roles if any are already added. It's a helpful snapshot of who's in your workspace right now. To bring someone new on board, look for the option labeled Invite a User. Click that, and this is where you'll start the process of inviting more people to join your account. The idea here is simple. Rather than sharing logins, you're extending access directly through Mailchimp's user system, which is both safer and easier to manage over time. Keeping everything in one place makes it straightforward to review or update access later. A quick but important note, this feature is available for premium users only. If you don't see the users page or the Invite a User option, your current plan might not include it. In that case, check your plan details or speak with the account owner or administrator to confirm your access level. Plan availability can affect which options appear in your menus. If the layout looks a little different from what I've described, don't worry. Mailchimp occasionally updates its interface, but the path remains similar. Profile icon, account and billing, then settings, and finally users. If you still can't find it, try the search bar in your account area to look for users. That's all there is to it. You've navigated to the right place, reviewed your existing users, and used the Invite a User option to add more. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any part of this tutorial if you need a quick refresher while you work.